my god, guys, look at this, it actually worked and my account is literally exploding with resources in just 12 seconds. Alright guys, pay close attention because these steps are super important. First, we head to settings for Android and for iPhone users. I left a video for you in the comments below. Now let's head over to the apps section, guys. At the top, we tap on the search icon and search for DLS right now, guys. As you can see, guys, this is the game DLS. Let's tap on it right now and move to the next step. Now, after entering the game settings, tap on battery and you will find it set to optimized. So change it to unrestricted right now to make this method work, guys. Now let's head back and open Google Chrome, guys. Make sure you use Chrome for this to work perfectly. Tap on the three dots at the top, then go to settings and open up privacy and security right now, guys. Then make sure this option is turned off. It is the do not track feature. As you can see, it must be off, guys. Now after turning off do not track, we are done with settings and we are at the most important part of the video, guys. Let's go back and enter this website right now. Perfect, guys. This is the website and the interface. As you can see, there are so many games here. You can choose anything else you want, but right now let's jump straight to DLS 2026, guys. I am literally so excited for this. This is the interface we need, so enter your username right here. You can find it just like shown in the picture, then tap on device compatibility to sync with the website, guys. Nice. It actually recognized my Android device. Now let's tap to continue to the server and it will start searching for the account. Then show us all the available resources, guys. Perfect, guys. Now select your resources and make sure to set them to the maximum amount. Then just tap on agree to the terms and let's continue with the process. The website is now connecting to the server to verify that your device and your account are real and actually exist right now, guys. The server is asking us to complete some tasks for strict human verification to prevent AI from using the website. So guys, make sure to follow along and complete these tasks right now. The tasks are actually super easy, guys. Sometimes it asks you to complete a smart survey or download an app or even verify through your phone number or email. So just discover what it needs and complete as many tasks as possible. Then make sure to stay on the page for about 5 minutes to ensure everything works perfectly for you guys. Now, as you can see, guys, we are just waiting and it is going to work perfectly for sure. Oh my god, guys, it finally worked. The method actually worked after following everything. Step by step, we finally did it. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to subscribe and follow the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you all.